A 2002 Kia Sorento key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up, what size the battery is, and how to replace it. Okay, so first step we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. If you look, there's a button right here. If you push it with your thumb, pretty good, you can pull out the emergency door key. Now with that out of the way, I'm going to want to use a flathead screwdriver, put it in just about like right here like this. And you're going to want to, it's going to look like something like this, but pop it open like that. Okay, it was just a motion like poop. All right, we're not doing digging at it like that, we're doing it sideways like this. Poop. Now crack it open. Okay, go back here, crack it open like a walnut. Take that cover off, and you can slide the battery out. Now this seal might get in your way a little bit. You go to get this battery out of here. What you can do is go ahead and pull the board out, and they'll help you slide it out of here. Okay, I recommend using your finger. Don't use the screwdriver because it's metal. The battery size is a CR2032 battery. When you get your new one, this is a positive sign right here, the positive sign right here. They just face out towards us. Slide it in just like that. You get the board, stick it back in here. Okay, if you need a battery, if you look in the description box and in the comment box, there's a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up some batteries if you need them. They're going to be the correct size and everything. You just get the two halves, snap them together, put the emergency key back in, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could, and be so kind to subscribe.